So, hello everyone. This is me, Jorilyn Orlina Balmes, second year college from SC11 San Narciso. So, now I will design the original authentic assessment about the formal and informal languages. So, creating a formal letter or speech are targeting among grade 10 students. So first, what is a formal language? So it is characterized by complex grammar, for full sentences, no construction, and the objectives precise vocabulary that are suitable for academic or professional settings. So informal language is a relaxed, often using the slang or construction and shorter sentences that are ideal for conversation with friends and families. So, the main objective of this assessment first is to analyze the differences between formal and informal language in terms of grammar, vocabulary, and tone. Second objective is demonstrate awareness of the impact that language choice has on listener or reader. And then the third objective is to write a complete formal welcome speech. So the learning competences of this assessment is the learner demonstrate understanding of how formal and informal language varies depending on a context, purpose, and the audience. So apply this understanding to effectively communicate in different situations. So this assessment is authentic as it replicates real-world communication tasks requiring students to produce both formal and informal languages and realistic scenarios. So the key aspect include relevance where tasks are relatable and meaningful in a school context. So the applications, students demonstrate adaptability in their writing. For your authentic assessment context, the scenario your school is hosting an international delegation of educators next month and you have been chosen as one of the students' representative to welcome them. You will also be giving a short presentation about student life in your schools. So your task is to write a 3 to 5 minutes welcome speech that you would deliver to the international delegation. So this speech should be formal in tone using appropriate vocabulary, sentences, and structure and addressing the guest with respect. This creation of formal letter evolved into an authentic assessment because it inherently requires students to perform a task that mirrors real-world communication. So that's all and thank you very much.